This is what we're going to achieve when we finish the tutorial of today. And you're going to see how this is doing that. So let's start the tutorial. Welcome back people to another tutorial on how to make a side-scroll game 2.5. In this video we'll continue to making the rifle t91s, and now let's go to do the same file, export selected, click it again, load the low poly, the polygon have low the low poly, then go to select all and go to this part, the part you want to change. And you see here, as you select max all time, color, press design, and when so before we finish, as you see, and let's go to file, go to export text to. Here, let's go, they are combining the same material.